Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Indian Engineer. Today I am going to discuss about how to use and operate Notepad application. Just I will show you how to open Notepad application by three options. First one is click on your Windows logo from your desktop, then go to all apps. In all apps, just go on Windows accessories. In Windows accessories, you can show that Notepad option. Then this is the close button, which is used to close your Notepad application. The second option is click on search and the web option. Type the word here Notepad. After you can see that the Notepad application arises on here. Just click on it. And third one is press and hold your window logo key from your keyboard and just press type letter R. This is run command which get open. Type the word simple Notepad and just press OK. You can see that this is title bar, this is main menu bar. In main menu bar, this is the file, edit, format, view and help. These are called tabs. In right side, this is the minimize button. After minimizing it, Notepad application goes on taskbar. This is the maximize button, which is used to full screen of your Notepad application, and this is the close button to close the Notepad application. This is your taskbar. Then in file tab, add already in file tab, this is our new, this is the new option, and this is our new file open, already open. Then if you want to use open option, then go click on open. You can see that your previous file names and location. I will select here my previous file name from desktop menu and my location, which I had already saved one file. The name is abhijit1.txt. Then this is the file name, and just click on open. Friends, you can see that your abhijit1.txt file open is here. Then next option is save. This file is already saved. If you didn't save it, then go just on save option. Your file is saved. Now next option is save as. If you want to change the location, then choose here your proper location and just type the another file name which you want and just click on save option. I already saved with abhijit1.txt, so this arises the message. Windows shows you that do you want to replace it file. I will say yes. Next option is page setup. In page setup, this is the paper size and this is the printed preview. You can see that this is the size of the paper, which is in A3, A4, A5, B4, B5, executive, legal, letter, statement, tabloid format. These are the standard size for standard paper. For example, A3 paper size is more bigger than A4. Our regular size is A4. Choose here A4. Then this is the orientation, which is portrait option and landscape option. This page shows vertical, so this is called portrait option, and if you choose landscape, you can see that this page is getting horizontal preview. These are the margins. Margins means the blank space from all corners, all sides. This is the left side, right side, this is the top side, and this is the bottom side. You can choose any number for which margin can automatically turns blank space to the printed page. This is the header and footer option. In header, this is the default setting, and F and page and P option in header and footer alternatively. If you directly give print command, then our page looks like. If you give print command, then how to view our page I will show you. This is there is no any more printer attached to my laptop, so I am just going to show you in PDF file. This is the PDF file option. Then select range, page range all, number of copies only one, print command, save the desktop location and type the file name. Here is 1234. Save it. After saving it, you just see that this is our file name. This is abhijit1.txt. Here file name occurs on top side of the page because in header side we can type and f word. If you don't want it, then delete it from header. And this is the page one option, page one word here. If you don't want it, again delete it from footer side, page and p. Then our next command is exit. By exiting it, your notepad application will get closed. Friends, this is our first tab completed. Then our second tab is edit tab. In edit tab, if you want to delete any word or any sentence, you can directly delete it from here. And if you don't want to delete it, means if you want to go to previous action, for going to previous action, always remember that there is always one command called undo. Then next one is, if you want to cut it this word from here and paste it on another side, then select the word or sentence and place the cursor where you want it and just paste it. Means your India name is moved from here to last side. Friends, now you can see that if you want to only copy this India file name from here, okay, from here, and if you want to paste it, then you just copy it here from here and just paste it where you want. Okay, means copy option. In copy option there is no cutting or no deleting the word or sentence, and in cut option there is always cutting or deleting the sentence, and it also called as move option. Okay friends, the next option is find. And find next option is the same. If you choose this find command, then you can see that in our typed letter, or if you have more number of pages and if you replace any kind of word or find any kind of word, then you can always choose this command and type the word or letter, which letter you want to find out. If I type here letter L and my match case is not tick marked and direction is downward side, then after find next option you can see that in channel option L is highlighted, then please L is highlighted, then bell L is highlighted, then always L is highlighted. Then after always word there is no any L letter, so that it shows the message cannot find L. Okay friends, if you choose up direction, then cursor will move upward and it also highlights the letter L. If you choose this match case, then and if you choose this downward direction, then you can see that your match case is small l, and your type letter and your you can see that this is also small and this is also small l. Okay, if you replace it from capital L and type the direction, select the direction upside, then you can see that there is no capital letter present in this, in upward direction or downward direction also. Means match case is only used for the letter which present in our text. Then our next option is replace command. Replace command is used to replace the word which is misspelled or miscorrected from our text or pages. If you want to choose this letter small l and if you want to replace it with capital L, then just type it in find what we have to find out small l and replace it with capital L. Then choose the option replace. If you choose replace, then only one word will be replaced by capital L, and if you choose replace all, then all the letters in your pages will be replaced by capital L. This is also same with match case as we previously seen. Then we can choose this undo command because we didn't want this capital L unnecessary. Okay, then this is the go to option. In go to option, you can see that this is the go to line number, this is the go to line, and this is the line number. Means this is your line number. I live in India. This is the line number first, this is the line number second, this is the line number third, this is the line number 4. If you want to go to directly line number 2, your cursor moves directly to second line. Then if you want to go to line number 4, then just press it here, number 4, enter it, your cursor will move here directly. Then the next one is time and date. If you want to give time and date, which is current time and date, you can directly press the cursor key where you want it, where you required it, and just select the time and date option. This time and date command will directly give the time and date to your document. Then next option is format. In this format option, this is the word wrap. If you see that, I will type some text on here. You can see that your page will going to continue. I didn't get any automatic enter key on here, and if you select the word wrap, then you can see that from this line this will be automatically break, and your this text goes to downside. In font menu, this is the very important option. In this option you can choose font style and font size. In font you can choose various kind of fonts here. I will choose here Arial, Unicode, MS, and the preview of this you can see that the sample is present on here. I will just click on bold oblique. You can see the sample on here. If I choose the small number, then your text will going to be small, and if you choose large number, then your text will going to be large. You can see that this is the font style and font size. And next option is view. This is not highlighted because if you see that also this go to option is not highlighted. If your word wrap option is selected, both will be not highlighted, and if your word wrap option is unselected, then both option will be highlighted. This is the status bar. You can see that this is the status ln1 and col1 means line number 1 and column number 1. Your cursor present action will shows you ln1 and column number 1. If I press it on here second line, you can see that this is the column number 2 and cell number 2, cell number 1. If you move the cursor forward size by one step, you can see that line number 2 and column number 2. This shows this indicating your cursor position. In help menu, if you have internet connected to your laptop or PC, then you can see some notes or questions and answers about notepad application in type format. About notepad, in about notepad option, this is all the necessary information about this notepad application. In Windows 10 application, your notepad version is 1511 OS build. This is your version number, and Microsoft Corporation Limited presents you this notepad application. So guys, if you have any query, then please comment me in comment box. Thank you.